Stay prepared, Jimmy.
This guy.
Trying to die.
Coronavirus. Oh yeah, no cussing, my bad.
You still learning how to use a GoPro?
You scared, bro? Well, what's up with that mask, dude?
I'm not scared. No, I'm just trying to breathe in some fresh air, you know what I'm saying?
Not with that mask? Here, thank you. Oh.
Chill out, Jimmy.
Oh shit!
What the hell are you doing?
I'm kind of nervous. Here, you want to try?
Yeah, I'll try it out.
Right here.
Gotta get you focused, man. Sahuaro Ranch Park, man. Look at this beautiful place. Apparently, this is some sort of a haunted house that nobody knows about. People have talked about it multiple times, but I think I remember back in, what was it? 2013? A couple of me and my friends, we came over here at nighttime, snuck in here, trying to see if it really was haunted, and there was not jack shit.
Yeah.
So I was kind of disappointed. I don't know why they got all these danger signs on here.
Coronavirus.
Yeah, the ghosts are scared of the corona, man. Yeah.
Oh,
Ghosts
man.
could be getting that shit too. They're not immune to it. Oh, the fact that you talk when the hell you want. Oh, damn, shut the hell up. Oh, that's not even peacocks, that's all birds.
Nah, there's a peacock over here somewhere. I saw like.
Yeah, there's like a couple of them that are around here. I think it's actually over there. Right there.
Oh, there it is. Yeah, there you go.
Cool.
Wanna check out what's over
So
here?
they got restrooms right there. That's what they got.
Nah, those are like little horses, right?
No, it legit says restrooms. Look at it.
Oh shit, it is. I thought it was like for horses.
Well, I'm pretty sure that's where they probably kept all the horses. This is probably like their back end shed.
Yeah.
It's two separate houses though.
What's in there? See anything?
Nope.
Nothing in there?
Hey, you know if they actually redo this house, they can make so much money on real estate. Wow, they got cameras too. That's dope.
Oh shit. They're watching us, bro.
That's Big Brother for you. While we walked over here with some cheap Circle K drinks in our hands.
Yeah, but this is bomb though. That energy drink.
It's like 89 cents.
It's that vitamin COVID-19.
Damn, they got every angle covered. Look at these cameras, man. All these security cameras they got going on.
Yeah, that's why I asked you before, like, are you not to record?
And I see people walking through anyway, so I guess they're
Yeah.
really idiots. Oh, look at that beautiful peacock.
Yeah, dude. Alright, try to keep this PG.
I said it's a beautiful peacock.
No, you're more subcognitive.
Got keep it TV, man. You know who's watching it.
Hey, man. The only person that probably watches is like my mom, and she don't know English.
That's good support, man. Your mom's always going to support you regardless.
Yo, you want to know fun fact?
What?
Alright, you see that one with the colorful tail and everything? That's actually a male. And the one that does have it is actually the female. 100 degrees out here, man. And this guy, look at this guy.
Don't be wearing
Yeah,
this.
man.
Walking in this heat.
This guy, I think it's winter and shit.
Hey, man, I was told that it was summertime and we only taking a couple of drone shots, but apparently we're going through a whole walk.
My bad, bro. Guess this is like back part of it, I guess.
It's probably like all the farming shit that we have. Oh, Jimmy, you in trouble, man. Look at that sign.
Fire protect. Oops. We're not recording. It's off. It's off.
Almost sounds like a bird trying to sound like a cat.
sound like we're fucking something.
What happened to PG?
Huh?
What happened to PG? Over here dropping that ball.
I can beep it out. I can beep it out.
Watching this.
Is this?
This is the Echo Park where they have all the grill areas for families. There's a soccer field. I remember back in 2013, it was it Unification Africa?
Oh,
We did a little soccer tournament in that song.
Yeah.
Sometimes, man. Raised a lot of money that day.
Yeah.
Definitely out of shape then. Still out of shape now.
Fat motherfucker.
That's how I do it. You needed like a bigger open field to do a drone shot with.
Yeah. Wanna check out over there? One last one?